In this video, we will show how to replace the LED strips in this Samsung TV. It is recommended to take pictures during the repair process to use as a reference point. Be sure your TV is unplugged. Remove both of the back covers. Before removing the outer cover, disconnect this cable on the main board that is connected to both the back cover and the main board. Disconnect the ribbon cables from the T-con board. Flip the TV over and remove the bezel. Release the scan drive boards from the tabs. Using tape, carefully flip up the scan drive boards and tape them to the panel. Using suction cups, remove the TV panel. Release and remove the 4 pieces of the panel frame. Tape all of the layers of diffusion on the corners to keep them together. Remove the layers of diffusion. Using pliers or something similar, push the small clips through the holes. These clips hold the LED strips and reflector sheet in place. It may be necessary to remove the main board and power supply board temporarily to gain access to some of the clips that need to be removed. Flip the TV back over and remove any remaining clips. Remove the reflector sheet. Remove the LED strips from the chassis. Unplug the strips from the power supply cable, and then they can also be disconnected from each other by pushing down on the tabs to release them. The replacement strips should come with adhesive on the back of them to secure them to the chassis. If they do not, you can purchase double-sided tape and attach it to each strip. Align the replacement strips and connect them to the power cable and to each other. Reinstall the reflector sheet. Reinstall the larger plastic clips. You should not have to reinstall the small plastic clips since the LED strips come with adhesive on the back of them. Reinstall the layers of diffusion and remove the tape. Reinstall the panel frame. Reinstall the panel. Release the scan drive boards and secure them into position on the clips. Reinstall the bezel. Reconnect the ribbon cables to the T-con board. Reinstall the back covers and reconnect the cable to the main board.